Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bankole Manoff. I'm a software developer, web developer, and mobile app developer. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you guys through the way I build a software or a script that automatically helps me to log in on my NNU account and help me to run through the normal activities I need to run. But I couldn't do it because of schedules, because of work. So I can't really remember to log in on my account every single day. So I came up with an idea and a solution to run a script that will automatically help me to log into my account every day and help me to perform the basic activities I need to do on the website. For first activities I need to do on the website is to log into the website every single day and make money. And I can't, I don't know, I'm very lazy and I can't be consistent with it every day, logging onto the website. So on a more serious note, let's just say I just want to be lazy. So I wrote this script in Python. What I did is that I use Selenium web browser, Selenium web driver. Selenium web driver, it's just like an automation tool. You can use it to automate anything. For example, I built an Instagram bot before that automatically follow people on Instagram and unfollow them once they follow me back. And I've done so like that for web scraping Jumia. I've done so for Amazon. I've done many scripts like that I've been selling that is already market. In case you are interested in any one of them, you can message me. But now this is not a sponsored video, this is not a marketing video. I'm just going to show you guys on how I wrote that. First of all, I installed Selenium package on my computer. So I installed that by writing the pip install Selenium. Yeah. And the second thing I do is I downloaded Chrome driver, which is Chromium driver. So I downloaded it and installed it on. I put it on my system. You don't install Chrome driver, you just put it on your system. It's just for it to help automate the driver, create a separate browser for you to run your own software. So what I did is after installing all that, I imported everything to my programming, to my text editor. I imported everything, and then the next thing I did is okay now. So I'm going to create a variable web driver. It's called webdriver.chrome, and actually you can use Chrome and Firefox depending on the browser you are using. And then if you are using Firefox, you need to go and download Gecko driver. And then I'm going to be leaving instruction how to set up Firefox, but I'm not going to be doing Firefox in this video. I'm only doing Chrome here, so sorry for Firefox here. So I actually get an error now. So I'm going to say webdriver.get the URL that we are going to, which is https://NNU forum, nnuforum.com/login or /login. So and then again we'll say time sleep, want the computer to sleep in 2 seconds. So get everything running perfectly and never to make any mistake. Sleep in 3 seconds. So right now we are creating a variable for username where we send the email to login. So say webdriver.find element by expert. Find element by expert is definitely find the element in the HTML. So definitely what I'm going to do now is to inspect the HTML, then inspect what I want to find. So right now I want to locate the position of that email. So I'm going to right click it and then copy the full expert. So after yes, copy the full expert, then put it in the parameter. So and then the second thing we need to do with the username is to send the key text that I want to put inside. So it's going to be my email address, which is mrbank1@gmail.com. And then we'll do the same thing for the password. So password is equals to webdriver.find element by expert. Then find also the elements and then copy also the full expert and then the full expert, and then put it there, and then again say password dot send keys, send is the password. Actually, I covered my password, which is I wrote password 123, and that is not my password. So I'm not actually going to be logged in. It's going to tell me that incorrect password, but never mind, it's going to work. So you can put your own password and it's going to work. But I don't want someone to go and log into my account behind me. So that's the reason. So right now, button to login is equal to webdriver dot find expert. The same thing, we find the login button. Actually, I can't locate it here, so I'm going to scroll up and then we'll locate it again to copy the full expert, and then from there and say button to login. Then we are going to add an event, which is to click it. So once it has been clicked, it's going to log in automatically. If your details are correct, it's going to log in. And then we want to close the browser. So all these are done now. What we need to do now is to install, to run it, which will run it by saying python NNU tutorials.py. Actually, you need to locate where the python file is using the command line. So that's what I did. I located it using cd to the directory, and python is running now. So it has already opened the browser for us, the automated browser. As you can see, the mouse is only in a place. I'm not moving it at all. It's going to be working itself. It's going to log in itself and enter the website. So right now it's going to fill in the username and the password, which you already put in the code. As you can see, my mouse is still the same way, the same place. So fill in the username, then also the same for the password. I'm very sure of you that you are not going to disgrace me. So this is it when it logs in and I cover my balance. So that's just it. It's going to automatically close, and it has been closed like that. That's the window close. So that is all. And then this next thing that I need to teach you now is to make sure this thing runs every day. So you are going to be using the task manager and your Windows. Actually, I'm using Windows 10. So I'm going to open my task manager using by searching it from the search box below. So let's wait for it to open. Actually, I have many things running on my system, so it's making me very slow. Okay, that's fine. So it's already up now. So we are going to what, create a new task by our right. We'll create a new task, and then we'll name our task NNU tutorial. You are sure, and then we'll click on triggers. Then click on triggers to set it in once a day, and then yeah, just point the daily, select the daily, and move to action. Then action, you are going to select the folder which you want to run. So the folder is already NNU from, you locate it where you save your file. Actually, I did not teach you that, but sorry guys. So the next thing is conditions. Condition is going to choose how we want to run it. So I deselect the, make sure it is connected to AC power, and then I said it to connect when there is connection. So any connection, when there is any connection, because we want to make use of the internet. So okay guys, that's all for today guys. I'm listening. So if there's any recommendation or you want me to change anything, or you want me to work on anything, you can just leave a comment down below and I'll be very happy to reply and work on your recommendations. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Emmanuel. I will see you guys next time. You can also drop a comment on what you want me to post next time. Peace out.